G-Fly bike is an electric foldable bicycle carefully designed by challenging every aspect and feature of the traditional bike. The G-Fly bike was inspired by a strike on the transportation system in Argentina that paralyzed the city. This inspired us to look for alternative modes of transportation for people to gain back freedom to move around the cities. We chose the bicycle, which has been around for over 200 years. The idea was to bring up to date the technology, the needs of the consumer, and bring it together to create a solution for daily commuters. We started with an idea and we went on to ultimately end with a CNC machined prototype. It has a patent pending folding mechanism that allows the daily commuter to fold the bike in one motion. The motor is 250 watts that allows you to go up to 15 miles per hour. The battery allows you to ride up to 40 miles on a single charge. We also included unbreakable tires, a dry belt that requires no maintenance. It has a mobile application that allows you to turn on and off the electric assistance. It also has mapping capabilities, and we also included a mobile USB charging device. Our tagline for the company is "Enjoy commuting." Every feature is to make the daily commute enjoyable. We're not bikers, but are rather entrepreneurs that are looking to solve a problem. We actually did 2 crowdfunding campaigns to validate the design and the features that we had in mind, and we were able to attain a lot of feedback that we then incorporated into the new prototype. Part of being an inventor or being a maker is about being flexible, being resourceful, and having your vision in mind to be able to get there. We are excited for the next phase of the company and to start changing the way people commute around the world.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save enough. Oh my, you're my broken love.